everyone, and welcome back to Sit Down. I'm Sindhu, and today we are diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone interested in business and economic growth: commerce. We'll explore what commerce is, the incredible opportunities it offers, and why it might just be the best career option for you. So, let's get started. So, what exactly is commerce? In simple terms, commerce refers to the activity of buying and selling goods and services. It encompasses a wide range of activities including trade, logistics, banking, and even marketing. Essentially, commerce is the engine that drives economic activity and connects businesses with consumers. To understand commerce better, let's break it down into its key components. 1. Trade. This is the exchange of goods and services between businesses or between businesses and consumers. It can be local, national, or international. 2. Logistics. This involves the movement, storage, and management of goods. Efficient logistics is critical for ensuring that products reach their destinations on time and in good condition. 3. Banking and finance. Commerce relies heavily on financial services for transactions, credit, and investment. Banks and financial institutions facilitate the flow of money and provide essential financial services. 4. Marketing. To drive sales, businesses need to promote their products and services effectively. Marketing strategies help businesses reach their target audience and build brand loyalty. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about the opportunities within commerce. The field of commerce is incredibly diverse and offers a range of career paths. Here are a few exciting opportunities. 1. E-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, e-commerce has become a booming industry. From managing online stores to digital marketing and customer service, there are endless opportunities in the digital marketplace. 2. Supply chain management. This field involves overseeing the entire process of getting products from manufacturers to consumers. It's a critical role that ensures efficiency and effectiveness in the supply chain. 3. Financial services. Careers in banking, investment, and insurance offer rewarding opportunities for those interested in finance and economics. 4. Entrepreneurship. If you have a passion for starting your own business, commerce provides the tools and knowledge needed to launch and grow a successful enterprise. So, why is commerce such a great option? Here are a few reasons. 1. High demand. With globalization and technological advancements, the demand for commerce professionals is on the rise. Businesses need skilled individuals to navigate the complexities of the global market. 2. Diverse career paths. Whether you're interested in finance, marketing, logistics, or entrepreneurship, commerce offers a variety of career options to match your interests and skills. 3. Growth potential. The field of commerce is constantly evolving, which means there are always new opportunities for growth and advancement. 4. Impact. Commerce plays a crucial role in driving economic development and improving living standards. By working in this field, you can contribute to the growth and success of businesses and communities. In conclusion, commerce is not just about buying and selling, it's about creating opportunities, driving innovation, and contributing to the global economy. Whether you're just starting out or looking to make a career change, commerce offers a wealth of opportunities that can lead to a fulfilling and successful career. Subscribe and follow us. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Sit Down for more insights into the world of business and commerce. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. See you in the next video.